So many people on Beyonce's internet talk about how they're the boss, they are a boss chick, or they are running things. But real talk, they don't run or understand anything. So here is some real boss level understanding. Everyone says cash is king, but forget liquidity is the actual throne, and most people don't even know they're allowed to sit in it. Let me tell you what liquidity really is. It's what lets you sleep peacefully when the market's having a full-blown meltdown at 3 in the morning. It's the invisible line separating investors from victims. And right now, most people are on the wrong side of that line. Here's the setup they don't want you to understand. When your assets are sitting on some centralized exchange, that liquidity doesn't belong to you. It belongs to them. They decide when you can withdraw. They set the daily limits. They control your exit. And when things get spicy, they just turn off the sell button. Remember Robinhood during the GameStop situation? Yeah. Your money, their rules. The numbers don't lie. In 2022 alone, centralized exchanges froze over $15 billion in customer assets. FTX, Celsius, Voyager, BlockFi. One by one, they locked the doors while people's life savings were trapped inside. And here's the kicker. Those people thought they owned their crypto. They didn't. They owned an IOU from a company that was gambling with their funds. But DeFi? Complete opposite game. When your liquidity is in a decentralized pool, you own it. You earn from it through trading fees and yield. And you control when you leave. No permission needed. No withdrawal limits. No customer service ticket that takes 3 weeks to answer while your opportunity evaporates. And here's where it gets really interesting. Providing liquidity isn't just investing. It's participating in the actual infrastructure of finance. Every time someone makes a swap, you earn a piece of that. Every pool you contribute to makes the whole ecosystem more stable. That's not passive income. That's active freedom. You're literally being paid to help build a financial system that can't be turned off by some CEO having a bad day. The traditional system took hundreds of years to build, and it was designed from day one to extract from you account fees, trading fees, withdrawal fees, inactivity fees, fees for looking at your own money the wrong way. DeFi flipped that model in less than a decade. Now you can be the bank. You can be the market maker. You can be the one earning those fees instead of paying them. Liquidity isn't just some boring financial term. It's freedom disguised as finance. Own it. Understand it. Use it, because the goal was never just profit. It's power, your power. And if this series opened your eyes to how the game actually works, do me a favor. Like this video, drop a comment with your biggest takeaway, and subscribe so you never miss the next truth bomb. Don't work for money. Make money work for you.